So, good question there. A lot of tabs, brand new tab, oh it's all shiny, we're going to soak it in dinners, we're going to soak it in acetones, we're going to give it a bath for 3 weeks in alcohol. Really, grab your clean and release agent, your isopropyl alcohol. You don't want to use any acetone or petroleum-based products on because it will start to degrade the tab. So squirt your alcohol on, give the surface a real good clean. What we don't want to be doing is scotching the surface up. Reason being, glue is a viscous product, so when most people think about keying something in, it's going to be, oh, I'm painting, I need to key the surface up to give something for the paint to bond to. Well, paint is water, waterborne paint, so the viscosity is really, really thin, so it's going to enable to go inside of all those little scratch marks you've made and actually key and bond in. Glue can't do that. Glue's very gloopy. It's going to sit on top of those channels you've made, those little air channels. So the glue's going to sit on top and it's going to create loose bonds in between. So we don't want to be scuffing our tabs up at all. Now, if we do have some glue on the tabs immediately, get it off. So as soon as you've removed your glue, as soon as you've done your pull, if your glue has remained on your tab, peel it off your tab as quick as you possibly can. It's going to be much, much easier than leaving it on your tab for 2-3 weeks and then you're going to spend ages picking it off. If you do have a little bit of residue on there, again, just heat the tab up using your release agent, squirt it down and then clean it up. If there's a couple of little sticky patches on there, not a big issue, but what you don't want is big lumps of glue stuck on the tab.